Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to remove Meta AI from Messenger. Alright guys, you can see that Meta AI from Messenger search bar. That's why I need to remove this Meta AI from my Messenger. Okay, I will show you step by step how to remove this Meta AI search. First you have to go into setting, then scroll down. Okay, we can see right here general, click that general. Okay, then you can see iPhone storage. Go into iPhone storage, click that. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, you have to get that Messenger app. Click that Messenger app. Okay, then you have to click upload app. Click that upload app. Okay, now what you're gonna do, then you have to go ahead and delete app. Okay, you can see that delete app. Click that delete app. Okay, asking will also delete all of the documents and data. This action can be undo. Okay, go ahead and delete app. Okay, right now delete your Messenger app from iPhone. Then what you're gonna do, then we have to reinstall your Messenger app. Okay, now I'm going to install Messenger app. Okay, search Messenger. Okay, go ahead and download the Messenger. Messenger app already downloaded, then I'm going to open the Messenger. Okay, save your login info. Okay, save. Allow. Next. Okay, I had put my phone number. Alright guys, everything success. You can see that the search bar not anymore Meta AI search in Messenger. No more available that Meta AI search from Messenger. Alright guys, that's the way how to remove that Meta AI from Messenger and install again a Messenger app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.